Jose here, giving you a quick walkthrough on the updated shuffle node and how to call in legacy nodes. If we wish to shuffle out a channel, all we have to do is go into this drop-down menu and select the channel that we wish. So I'm going to use the diffuse. Once we do, the channel is already passed through. Now the name is not being represented here, and I would like to have the name of the pass. So what I can do is I can just go into my label area and include a open bracket, type in value space in, include the number 1, close bracket, and once I do, you will see your name of the pass will automatically appear underneath. Now, if I need multiple of these, I can do is create a copy of it. So copy and paste, plug it in, double click, go into my tab here, and calling another channel. So let's say the reflections. Once I call in the reflections, automatically it will change for us. So that's the updated shuffle node. So now let's call in legacy nodes, okay? So if I wish to call in the lens distortion, this is the lens distortion, the updated lens distortion, okay? So as you can see, it doesn't have the image analyzing tab. So to call in that lens distortion, all we have to do is just right click at a node graph, go into other, scroll down to all plugins and hit update. We could also go on the two bars here on the side, select other, scroll down to all plugins and hit update. Once we do that, we'll be able to call in any legacy nodes that have been deactivated. So I'm going to call it in, hit tab, lens, distortion, and now you'll see that you have other nodes that have an L next to it. Those are typically your legacy nodes. So once I click on that, you will see here, oops, you will see here, we have the image analyzing tab. So this has been the how to update your plugins to call in legacy nodes and the updated shuffle node.